Natividad from HRS1T. Today, I will show you the steps on how to clean and sanitize the kitchen equipments. First step is to scrape off the leftover food on the plates and then pre-rinse the utensils. Step number 2, wash the utensils using the dishwashing soap and sponge. Step number 3, rinse the utensils with water. Step number 4, sanitize the utensils using hot water with little vinegar. Take a handful of cutlery. Hold it by the handles and dip the service ends, the end that goes into the customer's mouth, into the water. Using a clean, lint-free cloth, polish the cutlery. Don't let your fingers touch the service ends. Place polished cutlery with handles together. Now, hold each glass over a bucket of hot steaming water. Hold wine glasses by the base. Always handle clean glassware by the stem so you don't put finger marks on the bowl. Polish with a clean, lint-free cloth. Use one hand to cradle the bowl of the wine glass and polish with your other hand. those are the steps on how to clean and sanitize equipments. Thank you for watching.